Some of the many proven benefits of designing in 3D are achieved at the assembly level. It is here where you can verify fit and function of an entire system by checking if your assembly goes together properly and if it behaves as intended. Interference detection is a key capability to achieving proper fit of a design. This analysis can be performed on the entire assembly or on a subset of components for really massive assemblies. With the fastest solver in the industry, you quickly have any issues identified. When selected, the interfering volumes are highlighted on the screen. Various viewing methods, such as hiding the non-interfering parts, allow you to easily see exactly where the issues lie. Here we can see that the sharp corner on the orange yoke is clashing with the radius on the cylinder. A folder provides easy access to any fasteners that have interferences, and in this case, we can see that the fastener does not seem to be properly aligned in the hole. For each of these interferences, SolidWorks provides visual cues on the screen, as well as identifies the offending parts. Armed with this knowledge, we can easily rectify the situation. By adding a couple of fillets to the yoke, the clash is eliminated, since the same part is used on the top and the bottom. To resolve the issue with the screws, the hole alignment tool can be used. This tool checks the assembly for any holes that aren't lined up. The misaligned holes are listed with the maximum deviation between centers, and they are highlighted on the screen for easy identification. Using the isolate command to focus on the misaligned parts, we can see that indeed we have a problem, but it is easily repaired by changing the hole pattern. The measure tool is quite useful for interrogating assemblies, and here it reports that our holes are now aligned. Interference detection makes sure that our assembly has the proper fit, but what about function? For this, we can use the collision detection capability. As we move the assembly through its range of motion, the travel stops when it finds a collision. Any colliding parts are highlighted, and we get an audible notification as well. To resolve this problem, let's change the angle of the pocket in the arm to open it up a bit. Looks pretty good, but another collision detection will verify that the problem is indeed solved. To ensure proper function, it is just as important to understand the clearances, and this can be performed dynamically as well. Simply select two components from the screen and drag. A dimension appears in the graphics area indicating the minimum distance between the selected components and dynamically updates as you drag the component. The minimum clearance is reported in the Property Manager as well. With SolidWorks' broad set of assembly evaluation tools, it has never been easier to ensure proper fit and function, which are crucial to designing better products. SolidWorks applications provide great capabilities you can use right away for design, simulation, communication, and file management to work faster and make your products better. Explore all the features